Hi, today I'm going to show you how to fix Lexibook Tablet Junior. If you've got problem with charge, the tablet's not charging, and most of these tablets they've got a broken jack here, so it won't take any charger. This is the worst thing of this tablet, so don't worry about it. I'll show you that this tablet is not charging. What you need is these tiny little things purchased from eBay. Show you which exactly which side, and you will need to have soldering gun and this little kit purchased from B&Q for $2.99 and a magnetic things. Now you can see that the charger is on. Nothing here. Okay, you can power it on, but it's not going to charge or anything. Battery down, nothing. So don't worry about it. It's a very simple things to fix. Well, now for starting, we have got this one, and this one, and also you have got this one. So it's simple to remove them. And this one. This is the difficult one, so you need to use this kind. Show you close. It's not the star, it's the different screwdriver. It's not the star screwdriver because it's easier to lose them. So just don't want to go into detail, just go through these and be careful when you reach this area. Alright, once finished, it's easier. You just need to put a card, kind of like credit card, around here, and you remove it. This is how it is inside. It's very simple things. So you will need to go through this screw, that screw, that screw. Show you. And one screw here, and you need to remove this cable. Easy, nice and easy. Finish. And this cable, nice and easy. And these two here, this one and this one. Like what I say, you need to be careful with the kind of wire. Once you have removed that, this can come off now. Just be careful with those. We forgot one more thing here. This one, just need to remove it again, pull it up. There you go. So normally this is the problem. These tiny little things here. So what I do normally, I don't need to solder again here, because I can show you something here. This goes in here, so you don't need to solder, just to remove that, and you put it on here, and when you put this one back, it will stay nice, and it's gonna be much more better than before. And they are very strong actually, because I've got more many of them, and I've done the same thing. But for us, we're going to solder it to make it more permanent. Now, it should take you less than 2 minutes. Now you need to take your time. Be careful. To here. Now, let's put it back. Now, let's give it a go. There we are. Easy. Thanks for watching.